In today's fast-paced technological landscape, STEM education plays a pivotal role in shaping the innovators of tomorrow. SIMNET STEM Edition is a unique web-based platform that empowers students to explore STEM topics through hands-on experimentation in a virtual drone development lab. Students can work individually or in teams to design drones tailored for realistic mission scenarios like search and rescue or package delivery. SIMNET's drone design interface offers a selection of off-the-shelf airframes, payloads, and subcomponents, giving students the freedom to easily create their own custom drone without requiring an engineering background. The platform features automated design alerts, steering students toward viable component combinations. Real-time performance predictions provide immediate feedback, helping them gain an intuitive understanding of how their design choices impact the vehicle's performance. Once their design is complete, students can use SIMNET's training features to learn to fly their drones, both manually and autonomously using a ground control station. Finally, they are ready to execute their simulated missions and compete to achieve the best design and operational performance. Equip your students with the knowledge and skills they need to excel in the evolving drone industry with SIMNET STEM Edition. Contact us today to learn more at www.simnet.era.